Listen, whatever you're doing, you are gonna fail and you need to fail. Let me give you a very, very basic example. A baby starts to walk. What happens? He falls. Do you say, oh, that baby failed? You know, you shouldn't try to walk. I mean, you failed, you don't have to try, again. I mean, if that was the case, if that's what you told that baby, he wouldn't be walking right now, and that would be you, right? You wouldn't be walking right now. If your parents didn't encourage you, okay, you can walk. And yeah, we don't have people who encourage us. Oh yeah, you can do this, you can do that. That is true. And that is something you're gonna have to do yourself. Because you're not a baby anymore. So something so basic. And it's not even failure, right? It's just part of the journey. But you think it's failure. You try something and at your first attempt, and maybe it's not really, you don't call it failure. It's supposed to happen. You cannot outrun this. Like, if you want to get better at something, if you want to succeed at anything, if you want to learn anything, you are gonna fail. And failure is not like, oh, I failed, I give up, I failed. It's not failure. It's just a sign that you did something wrong. And now you look at the failure. Okay, what happened, that is the reason that I failed, which you didn't really fail, but what is the reason? You look at that, okay, this is the reason. Now, next time you change that, right? Because if you're not going to change that, you're not going to get any different results, and you're just going to be completely wasting your time. So do not expect to not fail. You are going to fail. You need to fail. Because it's part of the journey. Like, do you understand? Like, is it hard to understand that a baby who starts to walk falls, but then he falls so he can get up, right? That is the purpose of the failure, that you get up, but you don't want to, right? Your baby self was better than you are. So it's part of the journey. You won't tell a child, okay, you fell, right? So you're a failure now. You don't say that, right? Do you? You don't, because it's part of the journey. So you're supposed to fail, my friend. You are gonna fail, and that's the beauty of it. Like, if things were so easy, like, would they even be worth, like, if something is not easy to learn, if it was easy to learn, it won't really be, like, the value of it won't be that much. So you need to fail in things. And I'm not saying do it purposefully. I mean, you are gonna fail. Okay, what happened? This is the reason I failed. Next time I'm gonna do something else. That's what you need to do. So do not expect to not fail. Expect to fail. That you are gonna fail.